Oh, that one was blurry.
That was nice.
Yo! 2 at once.
Those are nice.
Okay, so here's the deal. Apparently, we were able to only see them from like this specific angle. So apologies if almost the entire video is in this specific shot. Because we literally looked around the rest of the neighborhood. Not much is happening this year unlike last year. This made sense for today. Dang, they are going nuts.
Yeah.
They are going nuts.
They're still going.
Hey, 3 at once.
Nice.
Or at least I think.
Yeah. Might be low.
Here we go again. Although, we're not sure if they're actually going to be high like the previous one. Let's find out. What the heck is going on over there? You see that? Wow. We're back. It's kind of hard to see because of the trees. At least you can...
No, this one.
Okay.
How's that?
Yeah, because the trees were in the way.
I'll protect you in case somebody's coming.
Dear God. Man, they are nuts. 3, 4, 5 in a row. 7 in a row. 10 in a row. Look at that. That's nearly 20 in a row.
Yep.
I think that was like 20 in a row.
Oh, they're not done. Nice.
Cool. Oh, whoa, we're still going. Thought we were done. Dear God, what's with the blurriness? Oh, it's probably the lights. Oh, that was crazy. Nice. Dear God, how... Someone's going nuts over there with the sparklers or something. Hi there, Lego here. So first off, I want to apologize if this year's fireworks vlog wasn't as good as, say, the last 3 years. The problem, not many people in my neighborhood were doing fireworks this year, so I couldn't get that many. And also, while there are still a lot of fireworks going on, they are way too far away from where I am to be able to spot up close. Yeah, you probably can already hear there are still a lot going in the background, but the problem is they are really far away from here. And I'm not gonna travel really far away just to see a few fireworks. I'm not interested. Most importantly, it's like 9:42 at night, and I also have a Creations World episode to make. Anyway, the point is, guys, that's the end of the fireworks vlog. And, well, we'll be back here next year on July 4th, 2023. And maybe next year we'll get something good out of it. With that being said, I'll see you all in the next episode. Goodbye, everybody. Hey, at least you got a fireworks vlog anyway. Fun fact, I was originally going to scrap the entire video this year just because of this reason alone. But no, we actually managed to find some fireworks along the way. Yay. Well, see you next year.